welcome back to the family. Today is a beautiful day. The weather is bright. It's not so cold today. So today's really interesting. We're going, I'm gonna say car shopping. I don't think we're making any decisions today, but we're definitely going car shopping and see our options and maybe make a decision. You never know what can happen. So stay tuned, and we're gonna take you along to the different locations. We picked out a few locations that we wanted to visit. You know, great, awesome dealerships. So we're gonna check it out and see what our options are. So stay tuned for that. So guys, we finally made it to our first dealership, first destination, and we're at Solano Dwayne dealership. So you'll see it here. And I think we're pretty much interested in Jeeps. So we're gonna see what our options are for this. Hope they have a nice little Rubicon there, like a minivan. Oh, a 2014. Not like we're going for a 2014. We're going for a 20. Oh, that's not bad. So really and truly our interest is a Jeep. Hopefully we might change depending on what happens today, but we're definitely looking for a 2023 vehicle. So we're trying our best to get a 2023 vehicle. And I think we have about 4 more places to go to after this one. So someone might be lucky today. Definitely. If they give us the right price, the right service, we might just walk out with a brand new vehicle today. But the intent is to see what our options are and hopefully come back and get the vehicle, but we'll see what happens. Once we get there, we'll check back in with you guys.
You're going to see when you look at the front of this car that it's going to look very similar to the one inside in the front. It's the rear that's the biggest difference. It doesn't have the third row, but the radio in the front's the same, the wheels are the same.
It's high.
Seats are the same.
Oh, so this one is the 2-seater.
Yeah.
And it's 2023.
This is 2023.
Do you guys ever have one that's like charges?
With the wireless charging pad, they're just so short on chips, they don't put in a lot. They put in really high-end stuff. Yeah, Trailhawks, if you get the package in that, like the overlay or something like that. So most people say for the amount of money you got to pay for that. They try.
It
They
is
try to make everything
comfortable.
really nice.
Yeah, it's higher. So.
doing a little test drive. See how it feels.
You have enough leg space at the back there?
Oh, so you press this and then back.
And there's a
goes
button back
down.
there, and I could have done it with the key as well. So
Oh,
you got
nice.
3 options. Yep.
Yeah. See what you press and you just put it down. Oh. Really sweet.
So they did a really good job of designing it, making it comfortable. Putting some touches like the wood and stuff like that, and then the steering wheel is big and it has the paddles if you want to use that. And they did a good job. They really did.
Back again. So we just left off with the first dealership, and it was an amazing experience. We did grasp a lot of information, so we're on to the next one. But I would definitely give an advice when you're trying to get a vehicle. It's always wise to do your research before you go to the dealership, and that's what we did. And this is one of the reasons why we decided to go to the dealership today rather than just going in and just make a decision, because we did a lot of research and we wanted to know what they were saying face to face. So we had all of our information already, and we just wanted to get the real face-to-face experience. And it's not the first time going to the dealership, but so we're on to the next dealership and see what the options are. And guys, when you guys are getting a vehicle, and even for your first time, always compare. Don't just decide, hey, I'm going to that dealership. It's always wise to go in, compare. So that's why we're working with a number of dealerships today. We're trying to make a comparison, which rate is better, which is the better option for us, and look for a better deal, because it's 2022. I'm telling you, the economy is high right now in New York, and we come out all the way in New Jersey to see if we get a reasonable price for a quality vehicle. So, and I think I mentioned that earlier, we are looking for not a 2022 vehicle but a 2023 vehicle. So that's why we're doing a lot of shopping around. So yes, when we get to the next dealership, I will check in with you guys and let you all know what the experience is like. Hopefully we get to the 3 dealerships today, because we had 6 dealerships on the list. Hopefully we get to the 3, and then we can come back another time and try the other 3. But depends on the time. It's already 3:48 in the afternoon. So, and we 11 minutes away to our next destination. So see the time. It's 3:38. So we're not sure if we're going to go to another dealership. Hopefully we get to go to the next dealership. And it all depends on the amount of time we spend at the one that we're going to now. So stay tuned, we'll catch you back. So guys, we're here. We're at the next dealership. It's right on the highway, so there's the view from the highway. That's it. And I don't think I've shown you our vehicle. This is our vehicle. So this is the vehicle that we have right now. This is the dealership. I'm not sure if you're able to see the name of the dealership, but that's where we are now. So we're on to the next dealership. And if you look carefully, we're only at the Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler dealership. What is it? Fullerton. And that's also in New Jersey. So we're going on in the inside. on that next dealership, and it was a great experience, a lot of information, and you guys would have to stay tuned to see what the decision is on the car. And definitely you're gonna get the options. We are kind of caught in between two options right now, so we're gonna see what happened, but you have to stay tuned for the part 2 of purchasing a 2023 new car. Guys, it could be a Chrysler, it could be a Dodge, it could be a Ram, it could be a Jeep. So we have 4 options to look into, and you guys will see what decision we made in the future vlog. Definitely. But it's a little tough because we have to choose between 2 big decisions. So definitely you're gonna get to see what's gonna happen in a few weeks to come. So thank you guys for sticking around for the day. It's been an awesome journey today. We had a lot of progress, and it's been an awesome day. So thanks again. Don't forget to click that subscribe button on the channel so you will get notified when we post, and you won't miss the part 2 of purchasing our new vehicle. So make sure you leave a like, make sure you leave a comment. If you're really into vehicles and you're a super fan of, you know, the Chrysler, the Dodge, the Ram, the Jeep, and you have some information that will help us in purchasing our new car, and you maybe have a 2023 vehicle already, and you know kind of, you know, the specs, which one is the best buy, which is the better option, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you think. Tell us which vehicle you think we should get, and based on your past experience, if you know about vehicles, leave a comment, give us some advice. And I'm so happy to take you guys on that journey with us, and it's been a great experience. I look forward to the future vlogs. So don't forget the subscribe button, that little red button in the corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that subscribe button here. We need the subscribers, we need the channel to move up, and we're on to 100 subscribers go. Okay, so don't forget, when you're watching, click that subscribe button. Pause the video that you're watching now, pause it, hit the subscribe button, and then you can watch the end of the vlog. So pause it right now. I'm looking at you. Go down there, click that subscribe. I'm looking at you. Okay, and I see 1 subscriber again. We're gonna add that up. 1 more subscriber. Can I get 2 more subscribers? Okay, we're on a good journey. Thank you guys. Bye.